get on camera.
Baby, baby.
You want to see me at work? You want to see me at work?
I am patiently waiting for it. Sorry.
Hey. I'm Mike.
Oh, yes.
Hey, everyone. Hi. How y'all doing? Good. Everyone's good. Thank you guys so much for coming. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new, please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll know each time I upload a video. I try to upload at least once a week, typically on the weekends, Saturday or Sunday. So if you are interested in my videos, hit the subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch this video. Also, everyone, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below so I know that you stopped by. All right, this video is going to be a short wig review on a unit that I have been looking for and searching for a while. All right, and I happened to spot it on a particular website. I've worked with this particular custom wig maker before, so this is my second time working with her. And the bag is cute. It's pink, girly. It says light your beauty. I haven't used these yet. I've never used this before. I don't know if I want to try it in this video or not. I'm definitely gonna wear these lashes. These lashes are cute. I think I'm gonna wear these. And of course it came with the wig. All right, so this wig is jet black. I love that. Meaning it's a color 1. It's a side part, okay? It's wand curl, 18 inches, bleach knots, lightly plucked, 4x4 lace closure. It was washed, deep conditioned. It has combs and it also has an adjustable strap. All right, so let me give you some details of this particular wig. I'm going to leave clips or images of how the wig looked on the mannequin head and what I decided to go ahead and purchase. I purchased this with my own money. This was not sent to me to review. I needed a wig to wear to work. I wanted something, I have plenty of wigs, okay. I have plenty of wigs, but I wanted a new wig to wear to work. Something that wasn't too extremely long, but short. You know, something I can plop on easily. So I like the fact that this was a lace closure. Something that was already done for me. I did not want to have to put any work into it. So that's pretty much where we are here. This is going to be a quick install, you guys, because she did the work for me. It even has some baby hair actions if I wanted to create some right here. This wig fits snug. Like, I just adjusted the straps a little bit in the back because I have a small head and no hair. So I decided to, I don't know, should I wear it glueless? I think it's cute. I love the wand curls. Oh, I wish I didn't have a black top on. Oh, I'll take a picture with another top on. Yeah, I'll take a picture with another top on. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is so nice. Oh my God. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off. Okay, so this unit is by a custom wig maker. And I think she specializes in glueless wigs, which is right up my alley. Her name is, her company's name is Lavishly Lace by Tori. All right. And again, this is the second time I have reviewed one of her wigs. I believe I reviewed a braided unit, or was it twist? I can't remember if it was braids or twists. I think they were twists. Either way, I'm gonna insert a picture of that review. I'm going to leave all of her information down below, so if you want more information on her units, she has some really great units online. I really like her collection. She has a really good line. Hey, and I've been watching some of her work. Of course, I do follow her on Instagram, and we are part of the same wig group on Facebook. So I see her wigs oftentimes come up, you know, and I do make a note of it, and I just kind of look at them, and she has some really, really good units. So if you are into like realistic, easy to wear, glueless units, I think she would be a really great option for you to try. She has this one unit I'm looking at right now. I'm thinking, why didn't I get this one? This is really pretty. This is really, I think it's called Sasha. Let me show, should I show you Sasha? Isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? Sasha looks cute. Let's cut this lace off. Let's see. All right, let's see what's up with this wig. All right, it's a side part, which I love, even though I typically don't wear it on this side. I just realized I don't wear my hair on this side. I typically wear the side over here. So let's just think. This is really nice. I really like this unit, you guys. I wanted to buy this because I really needed a wig that I could just plop on quickly to go to work, but I still wanted to look a certain way. You know what I mean? I've been wearing other wigs and I've been plopping those on to go to work, but you know, it's always time for a change. I'm thinking maybe I should put a little bit more of my foundation on it. Use my bed head. And see, this is what exactly I would do to get ready to go to work, you guys. Let me take it down now. I don't want to brush out the wand curls because she did a beautiful job with these wand curls. I don't want to brush them out. Oh, this is gorgeous, you guys. This is gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and change my outfit so you guys can see it under, like, with just a different color. Since it's black on black on black, it may be a little bit more difficult to see. So I'm gonna go ahead and change my outfit and I will be right back. Hi. Okay, this is the final look. Tell me what you think. This is something, again, this is something that I feel like I can wear to work. Something that's going to be quickly, you know, something that's going to be quick for me on the go in the mornings, but I still will look put together. That was my plan. So I love this wig. It's glueless. I did spray a little bit right here, but you know, it's okay. This is the overall look. What do you think? All right, let me know down below, you guys, if you're interested in this unit, if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like, comment. If you are not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to my channel, please. And then, of course, leave a comment down below so I know that you stopped. And I will talk to you in another video. Bye.